this is Michelle Troutman with a classy business writing tip, this time on newsletter writing best practices and finding ideas for your newsletters. To see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. And to stop guessing and to start impressing with your newsletters, get my easy 5-step business newsletter template. See the link in the video description. What if you could never run out of newsletter ideas? They were always available. Finding inspiration can be easy and fun. Your ideas don't have to be unique or clever either. Just add your perspective for a different take. Keep watching to see how to build an idea bank that will help you keep creating e-newsletters.
I love to procrastinate. It's like gradually adding ingredients to a pot of soup simmering on a stove. I jot down article ideas or snippets over time or whenever inspiration strikes. Whether you use an online scheduler or a simple spreadsheet, a content calendar helps you keep track. I like to use Notepad on my iPad, which facilitates my creative process. Some people like to use Asana, Trello, Monday, or other tools. To me, they turn ideation into a task as part of an automated or robotic process, robbing creativity of soul, taking the playfulness out of it. I like to play in the sandbox where ideas can sprout. In that regard, you could even keep your calendar on paper and make mind maps to spark ideas. Who says you have to act grown up all the time? But scheduling tools can work for some people. Apps can also remind you about deadlines. Keep your calendar simple and plan for at least 3 to 12 months. As you consider topics, also think about how to save time and how your emails fit into your overall marketing strategy. Curate content from other sources like industry news websites using different tools. One of my favorites is Google Alerts. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reinvent any existing content like blog posts, video, press releases, or white papers. Link back, summarize, or rephrase it. If you suffer from the classic writer's block syndrome in this day and age with all the tools and resources available, I feel that it's impossible to succumb to it. There's so much out there you can access to bounce ideas off of, whether you're using AI, reading the news, exploring search trends, competing websites, or questions people ask. You're bound to turn up something you can use or add your unique perspective to. As with the format, if ideation becomes a grueling process, it's no longer fun, you might not stick with creating your e-newsletter. If possible, especially if you can afford to, you can farm out the tasks. That's where pros like me come in. If you have one, how do you find ideas for your e-newsletters? Let me know in the comments. In the next video, we'll explore a little of the e-newsletter writing process. As always, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to Classy Business Writing Tips, and feel free to like and share this video. And to stop guessing and start impressing everyone with your e-newsletters, get the easy 5-step business e-newsletter template. See the link in the video description.
Thank you so much for watching, and remember to keep your writing classy.